Look at my Phantom wallet, $7.76 million all from launching meme coins, not trading them, not by using hype, not by guessing, just by using a system that works and that prints consistently. If you want to understand exactly how I did it, stay locked in, I will do a step-by-step tutorial. Now, at around 5 months ago, I used to be a full-time meme coin crypto trader. I was trenching, scanning, looking for meme coins to buy in and sell for profits. But every single time I bought inside a meme coin, guess what happened? That chart turned into something really bad, and that was a rug pull. Basically, I would buy in, and then after a couple minutes, boom! The dev would dump on my head and I would lose my entire position, all because I started trading meme coins. Now that's exactly when it clicked. The people winning are not traders. They're actually creating the projects. Okay? Believe it or not, creating your own projects will make you way more money than trading. Because bro, making meme coins costs literally $0. It's completely free, bro. Okay? When you launch a meme coin, you control everything. Okay? You control the supply, the timing, and the entire movement. Launching has no downside, but trading can lose you all your money. Okay, that's why you have to be deving coins, and that's why I'm making this video, because I will show you guys exactly how to turn $0 into like 1.5k or some shit, and just do that over and over again, all from launching crypto meme coins. Keep watching. And by the way, bro, I just want to be clear that this video is strictly for educational purposes only. Nothing here is financial advice, so use this information responsibly. Cap! But anyways, now let's get down to business. How and where do you make a meme coin? Now, most beginner devs, okay, when they switch from trading to deving and they want to make their first meme coin, they go to Pump.Fun to launch their meme coins. Now, let me tell you why Pump.Fun is ass. Pump.Fun is overloaded. There's too many tokens and not enough visibility. Which means if you launch a meme coin, bro, you will make no money and you will see no progress. That's because your meme coin has to reach a $85,000 market cap for it to be migrated onto the Random Dex, which takes basically too much fucking time and it's basically impossible, okay? And on top of that, bro, you don't even control the own liquidity for your own meme coin. So what's the point of launching on Pump.Fun if you cannot even cash out your profits? That's exactly why I use CreateCoins.io, because this launchpad is completely different, and CreateCoins.io pushes your coin straight onto the Random Dex in front of tens and thousands of traders, where it instantly gets migrated. Now, if you launch on CreateCoins.io, bro, your launch will get real eyes, real traffic, and real buying pressure instantly, and that's why I use this launchpad. You even control your own liquidity for everything, and that's why it's so fucking insane. But yeah, so how do you even make a meme coin on CreateCoins.io? Now, you've got two solid ways to make a meme coin. The first way is to build your own token from scratch by putting a name, symbol, and image. Now, you have to go on X and you have to find a good narrative, okay? Because every single meme coin needs to have a meme, some type of news, just a narrative around it, right? Let me see if we could find something decent. 6-7, no. There's a bunch of different narratives, right? You just have to choose one. It could be some Elon Musk tweet, Andrew Tate. I don't know, bro. There's a bunch of different ways, okay? Once you have a good narrative, come back to CreateCoins.io, invent a quick name, add a quick symbol, then add a quick image, and just like that, your meme coin is custom made from scratch. But the second method, bro, to make your own meme coin is actually the fastest way to hit early volume and the most profitable by far, and that's by copying trending coins all fucking day. Now, these tokens already have hype and attention, which means they're already proven to go viral and to attract buyers, so copying them gives you instant buyers and stronger profit potential from the moment you launch, bro. You are basically copying coins that are already working, and you are grifting and just making money off of that copy. That's why I love copying coins. Okay, let's stop yapping, let's stop talking, and let's actually dev a meme coin right now and potentially make some money by the end of the video. I want you to see how fast the whole process comes together. Now, first of all, make sure your Phantom Wallet is connected, right? It's common sense. Then click on the refresh button and let's look for a coin to copy. I want to go for something decent. I think I'm going to copy the R-Nut coin. It has a last buy 4 seconds ago, which is not too shabby, right? The PFP looks good, so click on create coin when you want to copy it. Ignore the block, proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be copied on chain. Okay, just give it some time. Come on, fast. Boom. If I go on SoScan for proof, you guys can see that it is on chain. Everything is legit. But yeah, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this part is super simple. We're just creating the liquidity pool, and just like that, your token can become instantly tradable on Raydium, bro. Okay, and this is where you control everything. Now for the amount token A, just make sure you tap on 90%. That is going to drop 900 million tokens into the pool, right? And obviously you will be making money off of the 10% and off of all the creator fees. Now right under for the amount token B, this is basically the first controlled buy on your own project. You are not spending Solana permanently. It is just fueling the liquidity pool. Now 0.3 SOL is the minimum, and the second you remove the liquidity later, every bit of that SOL returns to your wallet. So okay, we have nothing to lose because we're gonna get this back. I'm going to put 0.35 SOL, right? Just a bit more to be safe than the minimum. Click on create pool, and then obviously, bro, the block, yes, ignore it, proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and boom. After that, click on the refresh button down below, scroll down, and boom, the R-Nut coin is now created. Everything is live. Your profits will show up right here, and if you click on the refresh button to officially check your profits, now we're up $140 because people are now buying our coin. Okay, they're seeing it on the migrate section and they are buying in. This is why I love deving coins, bro. This is proof of concept. Now click on view on Photon, right, or on Axiom to view the coin. Let me go on full screen for a better view of the meme coin. And as you guys can see, bro, it's already live. We're already up a couple $100. Oh my god, it is pumping. 1.5k market cap. Things are looking insane. Okay, this is just the tip of the iceberg. We want more, and bro, okay, more and more people in the trenches, okay, are going to start seeing the coin, and then that is how you get traction. Okay, more and more people are going to start buying inside the coin, and you have to remember, okay, that we created this coin for completely $0. Okay, so you have no excuse to be emotional. Just wait for buyers. Okay, print up that money, get that bread, and then move on. Okay, let's go. 50 bucks, 100 bucks. Come on, bro, we need buyers. Oh my god, people are selling, bro. Don't worry about it, bro. We are going to get buyers. Come on, pump, pump, pump. $45 right here. That is not too shabby. 1.5k market cap. Okay, $12 right here. Let's go. Come on, more. What the fuck? Come on, more. Come on. Okay, you know what, bro? I'm gonna give. Oh, yes, go. 30 bucks right there. Okay, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump. Maybe a couple minutes, okay? And when I am back, I will show you guys exactly how to dump the coin. Okay guys, I am back and we're at a 3.5k market cap. It did went down, okay? I'm kind of disappointed for that, but it doesn't matter. Let's make some money. Come back to createcoins.io. And obviously, bro, make sure you click on the refresh button first of all. And now as you guys can see, we're up $1,600, which is not too shabby. Now, click on the minus button, okay? If you want to make some money, do 100%, remove everything out by clicking on the red button, then, oh my god. Ignore the block, okay? Proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you make a meme coin and then make some bread right after by dumping the coin. Now, if I open my Phantom wallet, boom, $1.6 thousand went straight inside my wallet. Everything is legit, and even though the market is a bit down, we still ended up making over $1.5 thousand, $1.6 thousand, bro. It's actually insane. You guys gotta tap in with this method. Now, by the way, bro, if you want to win 3 Solana like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address specifically, and subscribe, and join my free Discord group and Telegram group down below for more info. Good luck.